Hi, I'm Detail and I'd like to welcome you to Demuto. Rest assured that you are welcome. Demuto exists as a community of people seeking nothing but to help each other. It's a community to facilitate growth and empowering change, lasting change. The only rule that we have here is that you respond to the person and not the circumstance. You see, often when we're dealing with a person, we actually view the circumstances. We see their circumstances in some way threatening our own understanding of the world. Our own world model, the way we perceive and structure our own reality. Islam versus Christianity, homosexuality versus straight-laced. But every one of us is a person. That's what we have in common. And I'd ask you that you recognize that. That's the rule. The other thing we ask is that you keep a slightly more open mind than you normally would. You may see some things that you're not comfortable with, that are outside of the realm of your understanding, what have you. And we never ask you to accept everything. In fact, if you really don't like something, don't use it. Don't like it. You don't have to. You don't have to accept everything. But don't throw the baby out with the bathwater. There are things that you will learn here that you can apply to your life that will help. Do what you're comfortable with, certainly. And I'd ask that you lean slightly on that edge of that comfortability, that you accept slightly more than you normally would, and just see if it works. If it doesn't, then you've lost nothing. If it does, then what you've done is leaned against the edge of your comfortability, and that's how you optimize growth. Not by accepting everything at once. If you try to grow by 100% in a day to become twice what you are now, you might be able to succeed for 2 to 3 days before you snap back into that original shape, and then it's just not lasting change. Whereas if you have the goal, I'd ask you to set this goal, whether you stick around with Demuto or not, grow by 1% a day. Anyone can get better by 1% a day. Every day. And if you do that for a year, then you've grown by well over 100%. You've grown by well over 365%, because that change becomes exponential and it compounds. And then the last thing that we ask is, if you like what we're doing here, if something resonates with you, share it. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter. If you have something that you'd like help on, some issue in your life, that a block, an impediment that you can't really seem to get past, then please post a thread. There's nothing to lose. It's entirely anonymous. No one would ever know who you are, and still there could be help. If not, you've lost nothing. Thank you. God bless you. Peace to us all collectively, and welcome to Demuto.